Right. So, last class, we have started our class. Okay. Welcome to Naresh IT one more time, everyone. And welcome to Java World. Tell me now. So, we all here for learning Java or full stack Java. Come on. We are here for learning Java or full stack Java. Full stack Java. Okay. So, what is the difference between Java and full stack Java? Are both the same? Come on, everyone. Java and full stack Java are both the same or different? Same or different? If different, how is it different? If same, how is it same? Same or different? First, you need to get clarity on that. So, olden days, we call it as Java. Nowadays, people are calling it as what? Full stack Java. Then what is the difference between Java and full stack Java? Java means only Java module. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices, and one mini project developed. That is called what you call Java. But what is the meaning of full stack Java? The complete project development required, all courses together is called what? Full stack Java. If you want to develop one project, only Java not sufficient. We require front-end development HTML course, UI course, back-end database, and running for building and running the project DevOps tools, deploying and running the project AWS server knowledge. All these 5 topics together, we call it as what? Full stack Java. It is not the deep knowledge or it's not the top level knowledge, okay? So Java, full stack Java. What is the difference between Java and full stack Java? Java means only you are learning Java language and you are learning Java technologies and you are learning Java frameworks. Core Java language, technologies, advanced Java, frameworks, what are the frameworks? Spring Boot, microservices, frameworks you are learning. By using Java, what you can develop? You can develop back-end programs or back-end applications you can develop. But now I want a database server and I want front-end screens. Okay, who will develop these? Java developers will not develop. We need other knowledge called Oracle course knowledge and front-end development purpose HTML and React knowledge is required. HTML, programming and database. All 3 concepts and knowledge together, what we call it as what? Full stack Java. Okay, is it clear everyone? Then tell me. So, what? Welcome to Java world for learning only Java, for learning full stack Java, for learning full stack Java. Okay, done. We have started our course yesterday. Now, today is the second day. So then, sir, I missed yesterday class. What to do? Okay, how many people missed yesterday class? Can you raise your hands? Online, offline students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Online students, how many of you missed yesterday class? Can you chat window and say me, M-E, me, or I missed. I missed or whatever. Anything is okay. You are use your talent of English. Okay. People who missed yesterday class, don't worry. Yesterday class I have streamed on YouTube for your convenience. Look at here. If you go to Naresh IT YouTube channel, go to YouTube, in search box search for Naresh IT, you will get YouTube channel Naresh IT. Here you can see If you go to videos section, okay, here in the videos section, home, directly in the home, today is the second session. Yesterday class is already available here. Go to live. If you unable to find on the home, go to live tab. Under live tab, you can see our yesterday class, session 1, full stack Java. Today is the session 2 class is going. Today class also I am streaming on YouTube. Okay, so that I no need to separately share to you personally, because of online students I can share, but offline students facing difficulties for sharing. That's why demo classes I am sharing. We are streaming on YouTube. Once the demo sessions completed, once the paid classes are started, then you have to continue with the regular paid course. Is it clear? Right. So now session 1 yesterday completed, session 2 today we are start. Let us try to see what we discussed in the last class. People who attended yesterday class, can you try to recollect what we discussed today class? Yesterday we started understanding what is full stack Java. And tell me, what is full stack Java development? The process of developing a complete project end to end is called full stack development. A end to end means from front end screens to back end database, all three parts of the project you are developing, then we call it as what? Full stack development. So I will explain you what is front end, what is middleware, what is back end, everything I will explain you with an example called Amazon or some other websites we will choose. So first we try to understand what is full stack development. Full stack development means the process of developing a complete project end to end. Every project has two parts are there, front end and back end. Tell me, if you learn only Java, you can develop only back end programs. You cannot develop front end, and you cannot design database also. If you want to develop both front end, back end and database, everything you want to develop, then you have to learn what? Full stack Java course. Okay. Then what is full stack Java development? Full stack development means what? The process of developing a complete project end to end is called full stack development. Then what is full stack Java development? If you develop the project by using Java language and Java frameworks, we call it as what? Full stack Java development. Now front end UI screens are developed by using HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Middleware programs are developed by using Java, language is what? Java, and framework is what? Spring Boot. And backend database is developed by using Oracle. Then what is full stack Python development? Full stack Python development. Full stack Python development means if you develop a project by using Java language or Python language, and its Python frameworks, then we call it as what? Full stack Python development. Python is the language and its framework is, in Java the framework is Spring Boot, in Python the framework is Django. What the framework name? Django. Okay. Now next, if I develop the, okay, if there is another full stack is there called full stack .NET development. What is the meaning of full stack .NET development? Front end is the same, HTML, React. Then what is the difference between previous full stack and this full stack? The difference is what? Middleware. Okay, middleware if you develop by using what? .NET, C# .NET, ASP.NET, then we call it as what? .NET full stack. Backend for .NET people is not Oracle. .NET people what? SQL Server, SQL Server or SQL Server. So what is changing from one full stack to another full stack? From one full stack to another full stack, simply the middleware is changing, but front end and back end, everything is what? Same. Online students, is why voice breaking? Some students, two students are complaining that voice is breaking. Rajita and Virendra, please check your network. Did you join from mobile with mobile network? PG Wi-Fi, maybe that there is a network problem, man. Check once. Okay. So check your network signals. So there is no problem from my side. Other students are not having any problem. Okay, fine. So everyone got clarity on what is the meaning of full stack Java development, full stack Python development, and full stack .NET development, and full stack, next one very important, UI development. What the meaning of full stack UI? In place of Java, you are going to use Node.js, Express.js. Node.js and Express.js. Front end is same, HTML and React. And middleware is what? Node.js and Express.js. And backend is what? MongoDB, MySQL or MongoDB. So Python and UI people will use backend by MySQL or MongoDB. Java people will use Oracle, and .NET people use what? SQL Server. So this is, if you remember, if you understand this full stack, front end, how many times you are learning? For all people, front end is same, HTML, JavaScript, CSS and React.js. Then what is changing? Backend is changing. Middleware programs is changing, and backend database is changing. So if you learn one full stack thoroughly, you can easily shift from current full stack to other full stacks also easily. And what is the parent full stack of all full stacks? So if you learn Python full stack, you can only work as a Python developer. You cannot change. If you learn .NET, same problem. UI, same problem. If you learn Java full stack, okay, you got job in the company on Java, but in the company, there is a chance you have to work for, Python or .NET or other things. So you can easily change from Java full stack to other full stacks also. The reason is Java is a full syntaxed programming language. Once you learn full language completely, then shifting to other languages is easy. All other languages syntaxes are almost similar to Java only. Okay, that's why people who learn Java, it is easy for all the other full stacks to learn easy. Okay, fine. So you got clarity on what is full stack development. Full stack development means developing a project both front end and back end. Full end to end, if you develop, that is called full stack development. Next, what is full stack Java development? If you develop back end programs by using Java language, we call it as what? Full stack Java development. Then following by, what is the full stack Java syllabus? This is what we discussed in yesterday class. Tell me, every project contains two parts, sir. Okay, every project contains two parts. What the two parts? Number one, development part. Number two, after development part. Tell me, when you are constructing house also, there are two parts are there. House construction, after construction. After construction, you are doing polishing and doing interior works, internal design, interior works you are doing. So development is one task, after development is another task is there. So every project comes under two parts, development and after development. So then tell me, for development we need some modules, after development works to do, I need some other modules. So every project is having three parts. What is the three parts? UI, programming and database. Every project contains three parts. In the development, the project comes under three parts. UI development is there, programming is there, and database development will be there. Three parts are there. Then what is the meaning of UI, programming, database? I will explain with example today. Then now in order to develop this UI and programming database, full stack development courses are divided into 5 modules. The first module is Java module, database module, UI module, DevSecOps tools module, and AWS basics module. These are the 5 modules we have. Then now what are the modules comes under development? What are the modules comes under after development? Java module, database module, UI module. These three comes under what? Development. DevSecOps tools module, AWS basics module will come after development module. So tell me, here courses for project development, Java module, how many courses are there? 5. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices. Under a database, we have only one course is there, Oracle, with 2 parts, SQL and PL by SQL. UI module is having 5 courses, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React.js. Okay, so these 3 comes under what? Project development module. Once you completed these 3 modules, you can develop one complete project. one complete project you can develop. But after development, all these programs we must pack as a single project. I should compile it, I should pack it, I have to deploy into the server, I have to download the jar files, I should put the jar files in the class path. Lot of extra work I have to do. That extra work to do, we required after development operations. Those after development operation purpose, we are using other concept called what? DevSecOps tools, or simply we can call it as a DevOps tools. What are the important DevOps tools? Git, GitHub, Maven, Gradle, Log4j, SLF4j, JUnit, Mockito, Jira, okay, JMeter, Jira, I missing here, JMeter, Jira, Jenkins, Docker, Kafka, all these are very important tools you have to learn. Once you understand all these tools, now you can combine all these development code as one unit and you can share and compile and everything you can do. Later, after these development 3 modules and this, okay, by using these 3 development modules, after development modules, your project fully ready. Now I have to deploy in the server and I have to run my project in the server. For that purpose, we need, latest people are using AWS. People are olden days, people use local servers. Now people are using cloud servers. For cost cutting in IT industry, we are using cloud server. The popular cloud server is AWS. So AWS we are using installing web server. Once you understand AWS, inside AWS, you have to learn how to install web server, how to install database server, how to deploy our project, how to run our project, and how to provide access to our project to the client. All these details you are learning as part of AWS basics. So by using these 5 courses, you will become a full stack developer who can develop front end and back end development both. So what is the difference between Java developer and full stack developer? A Java developer can work only Java module place programming only. You cannot work under UI module. You cannot work under database module. So then, do you have jobs in the market now as a Java developer? No. As a Python developer? No. Just as a UI developer? No. You want to get job on any platform. People are asking, are you a full stack developer? Means, can you work on both front end and back end? So complete project, can you understand? Can you connect from front end to back end and database everywhere? If you say yes, then you will be getting job. So in your resume, you must mention under objective column, you must mention looking for an opportunity to work as a full stack developer. If the keyword full stack developer not there in your resume, getting interview calls will be very difficult nowadays. That's why it's very important. You have to start join as a full stack developer and learn full stack development full course. Okay, now confusion is, sir, these many courses are there, 5 modules with multiple courses. What is the order I have to complete? Yesterday, clearly, I have given you clarity. You have to complete full stack Java learning in 2 levels. Okay, 2 modules you can go. We can learn full stack Java courses in 2 modes. Okay, what is that? Sequentially you can learn. Also parallel you can learn. What is the sequential order you have to go? First starts with what? Core Java, then Oracle, then HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Bootstrap also is there. And then after you have to go to advanced Java, DevOps tools, AWS also comes here. And then after Spring Boot, microservices, React.js, then go for job search. This is the sequential order you can go. This is a one flow. If you follow sequential order, means 6 to 8, 3 months core Java. After that, again 6 to 8, Oracle 2 months. After that, again 6 to 8, HTML, CSS. Again after HTML at the same 6 PM. Now advanced Java, DevOps tools, Spring Boot. If you are following only 6 to 8 PM, one after one, one after one, one after one, it will take minimum 1 year. No, sir, I don't have 1 year time. I want to complete course fast. Okay, I have free time. I can complete course fast. I no need to go sequentially. I don't want to waste my money and time. Then you can also do parallel. In parallel, per day, you have to join 2 or 3 courses based on your capacity of learning. Based on your brain, based on your receiving capacity, learning capacity, you can join 2 or 3 courses. If you follow in parallel process, in 6+ months, you can complete your course. Maximum 6 to 7 months, you can complete. Now, how to join? What are the independent courses. To start core Java, to start Oracle, to start HTML, there is no prerequisite. You can start all these 3 courses at a time. 6 to 8 core Java you join now. Then from Monday, you can plan for Oracle afternoon or morning. You can plan HTML other slot. Morning 1 batch, afternoon 1 batch, and evening 1 batch. 3 batches. Sir, is it, maybe I will confuse, sir, if I join multiple courses. Tell me, in your academics, if you remember, per day, you are joining multiple courses, multiple subjects you are studying in the school and college, na? Here also same. This is Telugu, English, Hindi. When in your school 3 languages or 3 different subjects, science, social, maths, 6 subjects per day you are having, 6 classes we are having, then is there any confusion there? No. If you say to your brain, I will confuse, you will confuse. If you say to your brain, no problem, faculties are there, they will take care, just let me follow them. No confusion. After class completed, you have to spend in the lab minimum half an hour per subject. Core Java completed. Minimum half an hour in the lab for Core Java. Oracle minimum half an hour. HTML minimum half an hour. Half an hour, half an hour, half an hour. 6 hours per learning and 1.5 hour for practicing. And per day, 7.5 hours to 8 hours if you spend, then you can complete your course in 6 months and you can save your huge money for learning full stack and time you can save. And quickly you will ready for what? Job search. Everyone got clarity? For new students, first time you're listening, and already completed people, yesterday attended people, just I gave you revision. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask on this course completion process. Online students, yesterday you asked many questions, I cleared. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask. Fees related, I will tell. First, how to attend, roadmap. First, you have any confusion on roadmap. You are a college going student, 6 to 8 only you have the free time. Join only one course. You are a job, already doing some job. You are working employee. Now you want to upgrade your knowledge to the Java. You want to move from some Selenium testing or some other stream to Java stream. Okay. You can only attend only core Java. Or early morning 7 to institute, all batches will be run from morning 7 to night 8. Okay, morning 7 to slots will be starts. So 7 to 9, if it is possible for you attend, plan 7 to 9 one batch, and night 6 to 8 one batch, 2 batches you attend. No sir, I college completed student waiting for the job, then you can join 3 courses per day. Core Java, Oracle, HTML. Only core Java, job will not there. Yeah, after completing full stack Java, you will get job, Mahesh. Pani Kumar, this is a regular class only, okay? It's not a time pass class. Yeah, on AWS, you have to search for on AWS also you have jobs. Jayesh. 2023, 2024, people are considered as freshers. 2022 and before passed students are considered as experienced. When will the paid classes starts? You paid today, your paid classes started from today. Why you ask that kind of questions? Straight question ask. Don't ask, snake kind of indirect questions. How will your course work, sir, if take your course full stack Java? Do I have asked someone to put me in Oracle batch and HTML? Yeah, admin will contact you, mister. No need to worry. Karan Kumari for my admin will send all the notifications to you. Batch details, everything will send to you. Rishikesh, talk to admin, man. How can I tell you all that secrets or that information? Talk to admin. Admin will give you information. Okay. Subject related, ask me. Fees related, technical related, ask. Admin related things, ask admin. Subject related, ask me. Okay. Study gap opportunities, sir. These three courses are independent. You can start in any order. Core Java, Oracle HTML or Oracle HTML Core Java in any order. Okay, all three are independent. Okay, now let me proceed to the next points. Okay, shall we start? Will DSA covered in this batch? DSA I will cover as part of Core Java. 75% syllabus I will cover. That's called collections. Okay, now? Yeah, level 2 is depending on level 1, level 3 depending on level 2. Still any questions? Okay, I want to tell 2 points here. If you are trying job as a fresher, after Core Java, Oracle HTML, Advanced Java completed, you can start search for the jobs. 2023, 2024 passed outs, you can search for the job after Advanced Java course completed. You prepare resume, upload and start search for the job. If you are experienced person trying job as an experience at 2022 passed out or earlier passed out students, if you are trying for the job and Java field, you have to wait for full stack Java completed. Your more questions you will face in the company in interview on Spring Boot microservices and one mini project development related questions you will face. Okay, na? So freshers, Core Java, Oracle, 75% of questions will be from Core Java, Oracle. Okay, 10% of questions from HTML, JavaScript, and remaining percent of questions from Advanced Java. Clear my point? And in resume, if you put Spring Boot also, you are aware of Spring Boot also, then added advantage will be there. So of course, after Advanced Java completed, you are proceeding to learn what? Spring Boot, and you will include Spring Boot. If inter asking extra more questions from Spring Boot, simply you can answer, you are started learning just Spring Boot now. He will accept. 1 or 2 questions he will ask and he will proceed for next. Okay, right. So hope it's clear to all, full stack Java completion roadmap. Okay. If you still have any questions, you can write your questions to me on my WhatsApp number, no problem. Now, so these are the points yesterday we have completed. Course title. Tell me what is our course title? Are you learning only core Java, full stack Java with project development also? We are learning with project and interview preparation. We are learning everything from 0 to 100%, beginner, intermediate and expert level. Are there any prerequisites to learn full stack Java? No. You can start full stack Java as a layman. No. Okay. There is no prerequisite. No need to have any computer knowledge. No C++ programming knowledge. Any graduation student, any branch student can join. Civil, mechanical, okay, electrical, any branch student can join. If you want IT job as a Java developer, okay, you want to improve subject depth knowledge, already you are a working Java employee, you want more deep knowledge, you can join this course. Okay, duration of the full stack Java and core Java, both will be there here. Full stack Java 6 months and it has 5 modules and fee is 20,000. Core Java is a 3 months course, fee is 3,500 without videos, fee 6,000 with videos, and class timing 6 to 8 p.m. 1 hour 50 minutes daily. Daily classes 6 days per week, Monday to Saturday. The 6 to 8 full stack Java na or only core Java na? Core Java. So 6 to 8 p.m. currently you are attending core Java. Other parts, other modules of full stack Java you have to attend other slots. If other slots, if you are busy, then you have to wait for core Java complete, and same slot you can also start Oracle course. 6 days per week course will be there. This is admin number for online students and this is the admin number for offline students. Okay, next, this is my number. You can also save my number and you can contact me anytime. Okay, next, how will I share material to you? I'll share material, daily running material assignments via Google Classroom. Okay, next, full stack Java not taught by only by me, full stack Java taught by multiple faculties. I am responsible only to teach for what? Core Java. Other courses will be taught by other faculties. Next, full stack Java syllabus just now covered, roadmap also just now covered. Next, after full stack Java means the 4 courses completed for freshers. Okay, placement screening test exam will be there. You can attend placement exam only after core Java, Oracle, HTML and advanced Java completed, then you are eligible for attending screening test for placement. If you passed in the screening test exam, you no need to do any extra payment. Free of cost we will provide placements. Okay, now until you are placed, we will assist you. Okay. Next, very important exam pattern is MCQ questions and scenario based logical questions. Scenario based logical programs also will be there. And very important, screening test exam is offline mode exam. You are not allowed to write online. You have to come to Hyderabad and write exam and get passed. Next, what is our core Java syllabus? This is the information about full stack Java. What is our core Java syllabus? I divided core Java syllabus into 5 units: Java fundamentals, object oriented programming, logical programming, Java library and project development. We are not going to wait for project development complete until end of the entire course. By combining the chapters wherever required to explain the project scenarios, there I will combine the chapters and teach. Okay, don't expect I'll wait until entire course completed. In the middle itself, whenever the related chapters are completed, I will start covering project there. What is our target of our course? The target of our course is becoming full stack, becoming project developer with full stack Java. So this is our target. Okay. So if you are ready for becoming project developer, happily you can take the admission for this course. And again, I'm reminding you all, everyone should get ready by yourself. Somebody is suggest you, or somebody is forcing, because of other person forcing, if you join this course, then you'll face difficulties. So please don't join the course by some other recommendation. You yourself ready to learn, then only take admission. Because I will personally monitor your progress. If you are not studying daily classes, not practicing daily classes, you have to be answerable. That's why if you are really ready for learning, then take admission. Time pass purpose, don't join the classes. Clear? Right. Now, today is the day 2. Today we are going to learn project architecture. All are ready? Today you are going to learn project architecture. Just I want to give you clarity on which course is used at what part of the project. A simple clarity I want to give you. Which course will be used at what part of the project. Okay. Now tell me, what are the courses you are learning? Main courses for a development, project development purpose. What are the courses you are learning? Number 1, HTML. Come on, everyone should answer. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React.js. Okay. This is one course. What the second course you are learning? Core Java, Advanced Java. Can I write shortcut? Core Java, CJ, Core Java. Next, Advanced Java. Then Spring Boot, microservices. And what the third course you are learning? Oracle is nothing but what? Database. As part of Oracle, what you are learning? Let me write here. Database, Oracle. As part of Oracle, what you are learning? SQL, PL by SQL. PL by SQL you are learning. If you observe this, first point you have to understand under project architecture. Every project is divided into 3 parts or layers. Okay. Every project is divided into how many parts? 3 parts or layers. Sometimes we call parts, sometimes we call what? Layers. What are the 3 parts? Number 1, UI. Number 2, programming. Number 3, database. Okay. Yeah. Course is going on. During the course going on, this terminologies will be changed. This is the basic terminology I am taking. UI stands for user interface. Okay. Going on, people call UI as view, 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 and people call it as programming is called as a controller, and database is called as what? Model. So going on, the terminology will be changed. today as a demo class. You don't have so much of awareness on the subject. Just I am using plain words which you know already. So everyone come on, try to talk. Today class is the main class or demo class? Demo class. Tell me, what is the difference between main classes and demo classes? Is there any difference? Today is the second class of our 90 days. What is our course duration? 90 days. In 90 days, today is the second day. No demo classes in my sessions. The difference between demo class and paid classes, you are attending the classes without doing the payment for a few days. Those are called what? Demos. Why we are allowing you to continue the class without doing payment? Because you have to decide now whether this course is suitable to you or not. And second, am I suitable to you or not? I have a lot of experience, 20 years of experience. I train lakhs of students and well settled in their life. Okay, but still, I am suitable to old students. Now, am I suitable to you or not? You have to judge me. For that purpose, we are providing demo classes. So you have to see 4 to 5 classes. And if you comfortable with my English, comfortable with my explanation, and you are having good rapport with me, then do the payment and continue. Is it clear? That is the meaning of demo class. I am not going to time passing here. I am not going to teach anything time pass concepts. So today is our second day of our course. What is our syllabus? Already shown you syllabus, no? We started in core Java or in full stack Java first chapter. What is that? Introduction to Java. This is week 1. Introduction to Java, day 1. What is the day 1? What is full stack Java development? Why full stack Java? This is completed yesterday. This is day 1. Okay. And then, of course, under day 1, this is actually 3 topics. Full stack Java project architecture, MVC architecture. So this is the pending yesterday, because I'm starting little late the class and leaving early, and I have a lot of other people asking questions. That's why this topic is pending. Are you following? Right. So today we are going to discuss, this is the topic. Full stack Java project architecture, nothing but MVC architecture I am teaching. So I am following day 1. So day 1 topics little moving to day 2, or day 2 topics little moving to day 3. Exactly, day 1 syllabus may be or may not be completed. Don't need to worry about it. So there is no time pass classes. Every day what I am learning, what I am teaching you is, this is main classes only. Clear my point? So please take it serious, participate, reply. Come on. Every project is divided into 3 parts or 3 layers. Okay. In place of parts, can I call them as a layers? Yes. Every project is divided into 3 layers. YouTube live attending students, you can use the chat option there. You can also reply, I am watching your messages. Okay. YouTube live, online attending students, offline attending students. There are all you people are available at 3 platforms. In all 3 platforms, I am watching your messages. Of course, there are some people will come and write some messages, bad, good, don't care about those messages. Okay. So when we are in the market, obviously competitors will be there, leave them. Now you have to respond to my questions, even you are attending from YouTube live also. Online students who are attending from WebEx, you should also respond in the chat window. Offline students, you have to use your mouth. You cannot type anywhere. Okay. Everyone ready? 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 Writing or chatting? No. Look at the screen, please. Everyone, today class is our most important class. If you don't digest today class, then will be very difficult to survive as a full stack developer. What is our course? Our course is only full stack Java or with project development? Everyone, come on. With project development. Yes or no? So first you should learn Java na, or you should learn project development knowledge. Which one you want? Which one you have to learn first? First you have to directly jump into Java na. First you should understand the architecture. You wanted to ride a cycle. To ride a cycle, first you should understand the parts of the cycle. You want to go to swim, first you should understand water architecture, how to go into water. Okay. You want to become 6-pack man. Okay. 6-pack man, family packer. Six pack, okay. Then you are joined the gym. In the gym, what are the different parts available? How to use them? Some demonstration you are going to get or not? Same story also. Before entering into Java, we have to slowly understand the project architecture. From the project, we have to pick the content. One layer you take, develop the code. Second layer you take, develop the code. Third layer you take, develop the code. All three layers combined, finish the project. Then go advanced Java. Okay, right. That is my target. So first I will give you idea on the project. Everyone participate. Tell me now, every project is divided into, don't write anybody notes. Please try to respond. Use your mouth. You are in a cinema theater today, 2 hours movie. What is the today movie? Java. Oh, Java yesterday movie. Today movie what? Project development is the movie name. Not modules, Nana. Harini, it's not modules, it's layers. Modules different. Today movie name is what? Project Architecture 2 hours movie. So look at their big screen. Is there 70 screen? Right? Come on, everyone respond. Project architecture. Every project is divided into how many layers? 3. What the 3 layers? UI, programming, database. Okay. Let us see one small diagram. I want to draw a diagram here. I want to draw diagram here. This is a project. Project is nothing but one dabba, a box. This is our project. This is a project. After explanation, I will show you live project. Live project. One website I will open, I'll show you. Then in that project, you should identify which part is available where. Okay, na? Please participate. Focus, full focus, listen. Every project divided into 3 parts. What the first part? UI. Lot of terminology you are going to learn today. Second part is what? Programming. Third part is drum. This drum is called database. Okay. Every project is divided into 2 parts. UI, programming, database. I develop my project ready. Then I provided access to my project to whom? End user, customer, client. End user will take one chair now to access our project, one chair, and he is sitting on chair and accessing the project. Okay? Tell me, end user access our project and its functionalities by looking at the UI screen or not? This UI screen will contain, number 1, text content is there for reading information. Number 2, hyperlinks will be there. Number 3, buttons will be there. Text boxes will be there. All these are part of what? UI. Broadly, I can say all these parts in UI divided into 2 parts. Complete UI is divided into 2 parts. Number 1, forms. Number 1, forms. Number 2, reports. Today we are learning so much of terminology. Every day we are using this terminology in the next classes onwards. Again, I am telling, today is not a demo class, time pass class. Generally, online students will ask, sir, when main classes will start? What is the main class? What is Java, why Java, how Java, which Java, hello world program? Those things they are considered as a main classes. That is a college level, college subject, college lecture. If I am a college lecturer, I will start what is Java. But I am a software engineer, you have to become software engineer. So you have to start with what? Project. So this is our first class, main class. Online students, are you replying? All people are silent? Not getting any messages from you. Able to hear? Keep respond, Anna. Don't sit silent. Keep respond. Keep answer. If you are silent, I'll get doubt. Is my voice coming or not? You are understanding or not? You should respond in the class. Don't sit silently. Make class interactive. Now tell me. UI contains what? Divided in two parts. What are the two parts? Forms and reports. Okay, nice. Next, programming part is also divided into two parts. Programming is also divided into two parts. What are the two parts? Okay, I can say three parts. Programming is divided into three parts. Number one, number two, number three. First part is, number one is, what is that? Validations. Second part is calculations. Validations. Calculations. And third part is throwing errors. Throwing errors. Okay. And next, database. If you want to interact with the database before we have something called what? SQL. Through the SQL, we are going to interact with the database on a concept called what? Tables. Okay, main concept is tables. Behind the tables, we have so many other concepts also there. In a database, in a Oracle course, you are going to learn many other concepts. The main part of the project, database is what? Tables. What we call them as columns, and these are called what? Rows. Okay. So finally, we got some idea. Every project is divided into how many parts? Three parts or three layers. First layer is UI, second layer is programming, third layer is database. What is available in the UI layer? Forms and reports. Again, you are watching me seriously listening. Come on, respond. Project contains how many layers? Three. First layer is UI. UI contains forms and reports. I'm not hiding anything in front of only there. Just read it, speak out. You want to learn or you want to listen? Babu Buji, you want to learn or listen? बोलो, तुमको हिंदी आता, तेलुगु आता, तेलुगु नहीं आता, तेलुगु आता नहीं आता, then क्यों head move कर रहा है? Don't move head, use only mouth. तेलुगु आता नहीं आता? Why you are using English, man? Hindi आता? I am asking in Hindi. You are replying in English. Okay? Repeat again. तुमको हिंदी आता? आता नहीं आता? आता आता? तेलुगु नहीं आता. Okay? Don't use head. Use only mouth. Java आता? Java. नहीं. Why you are here? मुझको further हिंदी नहीं आता. This much only I know. Okay? You teach me Hindi, I will teach you Java. But I don't pay money to you. Okay, na? How can you learn? By listening or by speaking? By listening you will learn. By listening you will become listener, not learner. You cannot learn by listening. A for apple is LKG statement. How can you remember now BTech? After 22 years also still you remember, because that day listener replied in LKG. What you did? You replied. You keep on reply along with the teacher. That's why you remember lifetime. Who is your favorite hero? No hero. You don't watch movies? Salman Khan, super. एक dialogue tell. Salman Khan का punch dialogue. One dialogue, any dialogue. You know one dialogue, movie dialogues? How can you remember movie dialogues, punch dialogues? Only when you say to your friends, no. So don't sit silently. If you sit silently, that is a bad habit. You are in class. When you are go to playground, can you watch your friend playing the cricket? You also involve. You want to play cricket, right? So you have to play either bowling or batting or fielding or keeping, something you have to do. If you sit silently, how can I get that enjoyment? Reply. Okay, na? Okay, na? Today first class or second class? Array, second class, already you have seen me yesterday. I am old friend. Then why you are feeling shy or to speak? Okay, try to speak. Very important. And tell me, UI has how many parts? 2 parts. What the first part? Everybody say they don't have shyness. Okay, now leave the shy or fear. What is first one is what? Form. Second one? Bolo. First one? Form. Second one? Report. Speak louder. I should hear your voice. First one? Second one? Report. Okay. Next tell me. Second layer is what? Programming. Programming has how many parts? What the first part? Try. Validation. Second one, calculation. Third one, throwing errors. Next tell me. Database has how many parts? Many parts, but one part, main part. What is that? Tables. Okay. I am removing this SQL. We'll see later. Okay. Let me not add extra. Tables. And what will be there here? Tables and procedures. Let me write second part. Procedures. Okay. Tables and procedures will be there. Procedure is nothing but a program. Now I am hiding everything. Are you ready? Today I am dictating notes, making you learn. I am making you learn. Once 8 o'clock you are leaving class and going out, someone asks the questions. What, from where you are coming? From core Java class. What did you learn in core Java class? Today we learn project architecture. First class you learn project architecture. Ask any question, ask, I will answer. You have to give the challenge to your friends who are there in the hostels, or any of your brother or sister working in software industry. You should give challenge to them. Okay. What you learn today, you should immediately answer. Okay, you should give surprises to your friends. Come on. What is the project architecture? Project architecture is nothing but different parts available in the project. Every project contains how many parts? 3 parts. First one, second one, third one. Little progress each day adds up to big results. Yesterday we added little bit to our journey. What is that? Syllabus. Today we are adding some more. What is that? Architecture. Okay, how these courses we are using as part of this architecture we are learning. So little progress each day adding up. We are now here slowly, step by step, we are moving 90 days, 90 steps and going to the main door of whom? Software industry. Okay, now you are at what? Amirpet industry. And we already constructed wonderful steps for you to go. 90 days of your hard work will take you software industry main door. People who are responding in the class, they can go into the main door and attend the interview. People who are not responding, they will stand outside and watching what is happening inside. You want to watch or you want to go inside and decide. Okay, respond fast. And tell me, project is divided in 3 parts. UI has how many parts? 2 parts. What are the 2 parts? Next, programming has how many parts? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? Validations, calculations, and throwing errors. Generally, errors we call errors, but they are called what? Exceptions. According to Java, exceptions. Sometimes I'll say errors, sometimes I'll say exceptions. Okay, no problem. Both are synonyms. Next, database has how many parts? 2 parts. What is that? Tables and procedures. Table for storing data, procedure for processing the data. Table for storing data, procedure for processing data. How can we create this table and store data? By using SQL. How can I write procedure and process this data? By using PL by SQL. First idea came on? Okay. Now, let me go to the flow of execution. How they will work. Let me go for flow of execution. Observe here. First, end user will interact with whom? Forms. What is the job of forms? Forms job is collecting inputs, collecting data. collecting data or collecting inputs from the end user. Tell me, when you go to the website, on website, some images are there. Then you clicking on that image. And what you are doing? You are giving the input. I want this image. I want this product. You are telling to that website, I want this product. Then that inputs are given to whom now? Programming. To whom? First, validations. Validations will validate that given data right or wrong. If the given data is wrong, then we'll go to where? Throwing errors. That errors are coming back. Are you following my point? If the given values or validations are correct and green color, blue color, whatever. Validations are correct. Then what happened? Now perform what? Calculations. Result is generated. So the given input and output we are giving to whom now? Database, and it will be stored in the database table as a row. After storing, database is telling to the calculation, hello Mr. Calculation, your data saved successfully. Okay, then calculations are giving result to whom now? Report. Then report is displaying either output or errors. Displaying output or errors to whom? End user. Understand the flow now? Now we have to apply these points on a real-time project. We will do that. First, let me write one more time clearly. Story is very easy, and daily you are doing work on it. It's not a new to you. Okay? Output or what is this? Errors. Online students? Able to follow now? Now try one more time. First step is what? End user giving inputs to whom now? Forms. Forms are submitting the data to whom? Program validations. Program will do validations. If it found the given values are wrong, given values are W. W means what? Wrong. Then it will throw errors. Okay, it will throw errors. If the given values are correct, correct means what? C, correct. Then perform calculations, generate results. Then giving the inputs and results to whom now? Tables, database. Then database storing the data in the tables and return the success message to the calculation part. Then calculation part return the result to reports. Then from our program, we are getting either output or we are getting what? Errors. That output or the errors we are displaying to the end user. So after displaying that message to the end user take the further decisions. All people got clarity on the flow? Can you please try to tell once again? End user giving inputs to forms. Forms submitting that inputs to program validations. Okay, submitting to program. Then program performs validations. If validations found the given value wrong, throwing errors. Errors are given to report. Report is displaying that errors to end user. By seeing that error, he realized, I committed this mistake. He correcting that mistake, corrected data, again submitting in the form. Then form, again you click on submit button. Again data going to whom now? Program. Again data going to program. Program performing validation. This time given data is correct. Then going to where now? Calculation. Calculation storing the data in database. Then database is telling your data stored successfully. Then calculations giving the same information to the user. So the screen where we collect the inputs is called what? Form. The screen that display the outputs to the end user is called what? Report. Display output, report, collect the input is called what? Form. Is it clear? Understand the terminology? Right. Shall we proceed with one project now? Your favorite project I am going to take, that is Amazon. Your favorite project, my favorite project, easily understand Amazon. Everyone tell me, when I open the browser and type amazon.in, I got this page. What is this page? Is it a form or reporter? Is it a form or report? Are you submitting any data typing here? It is giving you information to you. It's giving the text content and images saying that what you want. This is the information. This website is giving you information to you. Then what we call it as? Report, na? Something printing you on the browser is called what? Report. Something it is asking, give me your details to me. That is called what? Form. If a screen, the first loaded screen, when we access a website, the first loaded screen, generally we don't call it as a form, we don't call it as a report, we call it as a home page. What we call? Home page, okay? When I type amazon.in, I got one page loaded. What we call it as? Home page. This home page, 90% of the content is what? Report, displaying the content to us. It also contains forms also. Go here, there is a button called what? Sign in. Click on sign in. It is asking you enter input na. That means it is a report of form asking to give the data. Now I am giving email or mobile number. Okay, I am giving some pitch number. Pitch number means okay, dummy number. Okay, then click on continue. Is it a valid number or wrong number? Then it will allow us to log in or throw error. Click on continue, asking incorrect phone number. We cannot find an account with that mobile number. Who are you? With red color coming, incorrect phone number means error. Can you apply this point on our website, on our project architecture? You have seen practical? Theory first you learn and went to the practical, again come back to the theory. Come on, tell me what you did. You are an end user. Look at there, my chair is available. I sit on my chair. Point number one. Then what I did? Open the project. What the project? Amazon. Open the project, Amazon. Then next what am I doing? Amazon is asking me enter the value. That means what I have shown to me? Form. Then I enter my data, whatever the number, I enter that number and click on continue. Then what this form did? Tell me, is this number valid or not? Checking by this form programmer or background program with the database. Come on, everyone, apply your knowledge. Up to now, you are seeing only enter data, click, error coming, correct, output coming, proceed. So you are up to now a user. Means what is happening on this browser only you are seeing, but background of this browser, lot of story is there that I am revealing today. What is that background story? Where is this? What is that background story? That background story is backend. This project is divided into two parts. What the two parts? Front end and then what? Back end. So daily as a user, you are seeing only what? Front end. Background of this front end, the back end is hidden. You cannot see that back end. Now today I am revealing that back end for you to understand what is happening in the real-time projects. Everyone come on, repeat once again. I have opened amazon.in. When I open amazon.in, first what is open? Home page. In this home page, I went to sign in button. When I click on sign in button, now I got what? Login page, nothing but form. In this form, I am submitting some data. Okay, submitting some number. With this, I click on. Who is verifying? Is this number valid or not? Is this form verifying? Background program verifying? Background program verifying. Tell me, background program taking this data and then click on what? Submit. Then when I click on submit, data submitted to program. Program is giving the data to validations. Validations interact with the database and asking database. Tell me, is this mobile number available in your database? If available, then next page will come. If not available, we are getting what? Error. Tell me, is this error or not? Am I going faster? All the people able to connect? Understanding? Am I going fast? If I am going fast, let me know. Everyone understand? Is it your daily work or new work? Are you doing this work daily or not? You go any website, you are doing this job only. If you go to PhonePe for paying the money, now you want to enter 5,000, unfortunately enter 50,000 or 1 lakh. Then if that money not available in account, that money transferred or not transferred? Not transferred. Via UPI per day, how much money you can transfer? 1 lakh. If you give more than 1 lakh, transferred or not transferred? Not transferred. You will see errors or not? Many times you are seeing errors. Who will throw that errors? Program will throw error. Now, tell me, I am giving the proper number, my number 9010454584. Click on continue. What I did, the submitted number, it told the incorrect. I am correcting my mistake and click on continue. Tell me the flow of execution. End user to form, form to program, program to validation, validation validating giving data with the number available in the database. In the database, it found the number available. Then it will go to calculation. What the calculation? Asking for what? Enter password. Now I am entering password. What the password? I forgot. Something I am giving password. Click on sign in. What happened again? Now this password is again submitted to program, to the validation. Validation checking this password with a database available password. Same or not same? Not same. Then it is going to where now? Validation, throwing error. Then I am getting what? Error. There was a problem. Your password is incorrect. Who developed this entire login page functionality? Amazon, one developer developed. Okay, na? And given this access to the world, asking the people to access. Who developed? One Amazon developer has developed it. Tell me, in future, who will develop it? In future, if got the job in this Amazon, who is getting job? You only, na? Hey, in future, who will develop? And you are looking at my face, who will develop? How do I know, sir? Who develop? You only, Baba. You are the software engineer. That's why you join this course, na? Suppose you got the job in Amazon company. In Amazon company, who has to manage this table? You only. Once you get job in Amazon with the Java knowledge, what is Java, why Java, who developed Java, hello world program Java, find given number palindrome or not, find given number Armstrong number or not, display program patterns, star pattern, number pattern, pyramid pattern, this pattern, if you learn, will you get job? Unfortunately, if you got the job, is that knowledge sufficient? Can you manage this website? No. So tell me, what is the right approach of learning? Academics style of pattern programmer or high-tech city style of project development? Which style you have to follow? Academic style or project style? Project style. Academic style is first program, add 2 numbers. Second program, subtract 2 numbers. Third program, give a number even or odd. Fourth program, give a number palindrome or not. That is academic style. If you only learn academic style, you will even, unfortunately, if you got the job, because you don't know what is happening in the company. In company, you are not writing program to find given number even or not. You are writing a program given mobile number is valid or not. So I am here to teach you Java from both academic style, also high-tech city style. Ardhamautunda Raja? Sir, where is your academic style program palindrome or not? Okay. So this is first. Okay. Now I am going back to the home page. Okay. Come on. Let me see. Where is calculation? Up to now we understand calculation or only validation? Validation. Submit the data. Validate the data. Data is found wrong. Then throw error. Data is found correct. Then go for next page. That is what? Validation. Now I'll show you the calculation. Ready? Okay na? Feeling heavy na? Are you feeling heavy topic? Okay na? Following or you are feeling heavy and I'll go to hello world program. Which one you want? Shall I proceed? No problem? Then first time you are listening all these words. Maybe first time you're listening little heavy may be there. Let it be. What is the problem? No problem. Let it be there. Okay? But tomorrow, day after tomorrow, going on, will be slowly habituate these words. Tell me when you born and started speaking, first day only big English words you are speaking. Your mother tongue did you speak? Slowly, word by word, you are telling. Is it it? You took 5 years to speak in your mother tongue, but Java tongue you can get in 1 or 2 days. Are you following my point? So you have to accept what I am telling. As much possible, that much you remember. I told you, until next Saturday, you should give me time. Okay, in this Saturday, up to next Saturday, whatever I am teaching, silently listen, reply by heart and come. That's it. Next Saturday, up to 28th. Up to 28th, whatever I am teaching, blindly accept, remember and follow. No further discussion, understand or not understand or words new na, no na, don't consider. Blindly you just tell along with me whatever I am saying, that's all. Don't question yourself, not understand. Now let's proceed. Tell me now, I accept the project, I access the project has shown me. Look at here, deals revealed 1 plus 12 or 8 plus 256 GB. What is the original price? 42,999 rupees. But how much you have to pay? 34,999. And there is a discount or not? Okay, let me take another product. It's not properly there. Okay, now I'm taking boat, something. Look at here. Show your talent now. What is that price of that product? 998. Middle product. Middle product price is what? 998. Is that the original price or discounted price? Now 4,990 rupees is the original price. How much discount you got? 80%. Tell me, original price is 4,999. Finding the 80% discount of that given money is a validation or calculation? Calculation. Who will do that calculation? UI part, database part, program part? Program part. Now, come on. Let us apply the algorithm once again. Everyone ready here? Architecture, let us apply again. Online students must participate. Apply this architecture. From the front end, I got a home page. On home page, I submitted what? Boat. Then background, program, taking that boat, validating that boat related information available in the database. Yes. From the database, the data taken and given to whom now? Calculation. Calculation found what is the price? 4,500. Okay, that 990, let me make it as 5,000. Okay, let me make round figure as 5,000. 5,000 rupees is the price. 5,000 is the price. What is the discount? 80%. 80% of the 5,000 rupees is found. Got the result. And the result is giving to whom now? Report. Report is displaying the product image, product description, product original price, discounted price, complete information is printed. Then that is nothing but what, Nana? Report. Whatever you are seeing here, what is this? Report. This is the report part. So, can you now understand the project architecture now? Which part is there, what it is doing? Tell me, this entire information is available in the database. Upon the user request from the front end form, now the validation, calculations, bringing the data from the database and doing validations, doing calculations and printing the displaying the result on the browser with the help of form or report. Whatever you are seeing, this is called what? Report. So, tell me now, what is our today class idea? Today class, our target is what? Understanding project architecture. I hide everything. I'm hiding everything. Now, everyone participate, try to talk. How much you remember, try to remember and carry with your knowledge with you. When you come back to the next class, we will start writing what? Coding for each part. UI part code, database part, programming part, everything we are going to work. Clear my point? Tell me now. Every project is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. What the first part? Second part? Third part? UI is divided into first one, second one. What is job of form? Collect the input from the user, submitting to program. What is the job of report? Gather the output from the program, display to the end user. Okay, now? Repeat once again. What is the job of the UI? What is the job of the UI? UI job is what? Display data. What the job of UI? UI job is what? Collect the input and display the output. What the job of the program? Program job is take the input from end user or take the input from database. Database already has the data, na? So that data also taking. Perform validations, and perform calculations and send that calculation result to the form, and form is display. Sometimes this validations and calculation data stored in the database, or perform the validations and calculation data displayed to the user. Two times will be there. The program is in the middle part is there. It is interacting with either database, interacting with the user, also interacting with the database. It will collect the data from the user, also it will collect the data from the database. Let us take an example. It is taking mobile number from the user, verifying is this mobile available in the database, means it is also taking mobile number from the database or not. Taking the input from the user, taking already available data from the database and performing validation, both are same number. If same number means proceeding to the next one to enter the password, otherwise throwing error, asking to enter and number again. So validation section will read the data from the input, also read data from the database. Up to now understand? Second, calculation part. Calculation part also will take the data from the user, also take the data from the database. For example, I want to give the discount of the price of a product. Discount money, original money is available with the user, available with the database. Database. From the database, taking the price, taking the how much discount, doing the calculation, final price, it is displaying on the screen. What is displaying? Final price, original price, and also discount, every information is displaying. So basically what is the plain flow of execution is end user to UI, UI to program, program to database. That is the input flow. What is the output flow? Database to program, program to UI, UI to end user. Is it clear, everyone? Got some confidence of how the projects are working? Shall we try one more project? One more project. Bhuj project, we'll try one more. Okay? Everyone participate. Let me take one more project. Okay, you tell me your choice, one website, your favorite website. Instagram. Other business website, some business website. Instagram or Facebook or anything, okay. Any other. LinkedIn, Flipkart, Amazon, both are same, na? Shall I go for Book My Show? Book My Trip, okay, choose Book My Trip. Book My Trip, Ixigo. Okay. Everyone participate, okay? How much you remember words, you try. I will help you. What this screen is called? Super, wonderful, marvelous. What we call it as? Homepage. Online students? Are you answering? Here offline students are rocking like anything. Homepage, super. Wow, you also answering, huh? Super, nice. This is called homepage. YouTube live people, are you answering? My mobile battery discharging, yeah. I forgot to recharge mobile in the afternoon. Only one student answered. Monu Kumar Real, Superman. Thank you for replying. So tell me now, what is this screen is called? Homepage. Homepage contains what and what? Report data. Also what will be there? Form also will be there. You have to find out where is report, where is form. Okay. Login, I don't want. Customer service, I don't want. Tell me, what is this screen? Here something is there. One way travel you want to book flight, one way na round trip I want. Then he's asking from where you want to go, Hyderabad, to let's go Mumbai. Okay, when departure, when you want to go. Okay, let me go 25th. Okay, 25th. Why it's given? Okay, return when you are returning 28. Okay, how many people are traveling? How many adults? Okay, 2 children, 2 infants. Okay, no one is there. Okay, then which one you want? Economy, premier, business. Which one you want? At least in the program, choose business, yeah. Okay. And then click on done. Tell me. Once I click on done, what I did, I submitted a selected a. Still data is available in the form only. Are you ready? Currently we are in form. The moment when I click on search button, what happened? Come on. This data is submitted. This data is submitted to program. Then program is verifying the given input Hyderabad to Mumbai, valid or not valid. Wednesday 25th starting to returning date, valid or not valid. If I choose here 28, if I choose here 25, valid or not valid? Not valid. From all, departure always less than return. If I choose reverse, valid or not valid? Not valid. How many people are traveling? What traveling? The entire data is verifying. After verifying is found right, then go to where now? Calculations. Calculations means what? Finding the flights available. Where finding the flights available? Flights information available in UI program or database. On database, it is running one select query. Select star from flights from Hyderabad to, between. There is a flag called between Hyderabad to Mumbai. On date, where class, on, something they will write. Finally, on select query running, dekho, rounding. Data fetching from the database. It's going to program or continue as Java Hare Krishna. Okay. Hey, Ajara, still running. Ammaya, finally we got. What is this? Hey, come on, yeah. First one is what? Search box available screen is what? Form. After submitting the data, then what I got? Report. This report is available in my form, in my HTML UI screen? No. In the program? No. Where in? Database. Who will store data in database? Program. Who will fetch the data from database? Program. And who will give information to the program? UI. Who will give the result to the UI? Program. So tell me, among entire the project, among the three parts, which part is the most important? Program part is most important. Who will get more salary? Programmer will get more salary. Understand why full stack Java have the more package? You learn only full stack UI. Full stack Python, full stack, .NET. Why Java people are having more demand? Because Java will be used in this kind of business applications development, where more money transactions and security will be there. There Java will be there more demand. Fine. So, okay, we will discuss that points later. First of all, I want you all get clarity on this project architecture. Everyone digested, completely understood? Got clarity on how many parts are there? What is the purpose of this part? I am not dictating any notes. I didn't dictate any notes today. Just I explain diagram what is what. It is a challenge to your brain. Let's see our brain. Let us test our brain. Our brain remember or not? What do you say? Shall we test? Shall we give a chance to our brain? Tell me. You want to use Java only for writing one academic exam and leave Java? Or you want to travel with Java for your rest of next life? Tell me now. Very, very important question I am asking. You should learn Java or you should habituate with Java? Chappali. Everyone should tell. Today class is very important. Realization. You should try to learn Java. You should try to habituate with Java. Habituate. How can you habituate with a person? Just by seeing the person, by talking to that person. You have to talk. You have to talk to the person. That other person also will talk to you. And he is up to your like-minded. Then we'll start doing friendship. Immediately you will do friendship. Hi, my dear friend. Accept my friendship. No. You'll say, hello. What is your name? My name is this, your name is this, from where you are, from where I am, what you study, what I study, where you are, which college you study, what is your course. Many questions that side, this side interaction happen, and finally, today you are leaving. Tomorrow when you come, the moment you enter from the door, he will smile at you. Hi, Vijayawada. Okay. Tell me, when you smile at him, then now he will already is maintaining the chair for you. Then slowly bond is started creating. Friendship started increasing. Yes or no? Who is your best friend? Huh? Java is your best friend, not your friend. Your friend is not your best friend. Java is your best friend. Yesterday you asked, who are you? Java. Okay, tell me, what is your place? My place is software industry. Okay, what are the different parts you have in you? I have Java module part, I have database part, I have UI part, I have DevSecOps parts, and I have AWS part. Okay. Okay. Why I have to learn all these courses today? Okay, na? Yesterday, just interaction completed. Today, the moment you come inside, Java coming inside or not? How Java is coming? By Hare Krishna. Okay, na? Java is coming through me to you to do friendship. The moment I come inside, and tell me, will you smile at me? Na? Seriously, vachadu. No, na? Smiler, not smiler. I will smile at you because you are smiling at me. I will also smile at you. Good evening. Okay. Then after that, then you are asking, tell me your story today. What is the different parts you have? Okay, I have 3 parts, Mama. What the first part? UI, programming, database. What the purpose of these 3 parts? How they are connected? What their responsibilities? What their roles? Slowly, Java you have to learn, do friendship with Java by writing notes or by speaking and habituator. Speaking and habituator. Just realize that, sir. It's very important. As a student, you should realize very important. Your mother tongue you learn by writing notes, by speaking with your parents, by speaking with your parents, siblings, and grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, and then relatives. Yes or no? By speaking, you will learn a habituator. Habituate. Any time in your life, in these 22 years, when you are speaking in your mother tongue, are you searching for the words? Before speaking, are you preparing sentences in your brain? Free flow talking or not? English? If you want to speak in English, free flow words and statements are coming? No. When you want to speak in English, first you prepare your Hindi sentence in your brain or Telugu sentence in your brain and asking brain, translate. That means you habituated with English or you are trying to learn English. That's why you never learn. That's why you feel English is very difficult. I am trying to learn Hindi. That's why it's very difficult for me. I'm not getting habituated with Hindi. I'm trying to learn Hindi. That's why it is saying, get up, I don't come with you. If I start habituating, what the meaning of habituating? Very simple. Without fear, without shyness, you have to start. Speak louder. Your mother tongue, you spoken louder. You listen your voice by your ears. If you speak, it will go to your ears, then stored in your brain. Your brain will receive only your words, your mouth words, not my mouth words. My mouth words, it will listen, will not store. It will listen this side, drop from this side. If it is coming from this side, drop from this side. Temporarily, it will store. If you want to store all these words permanently in your brain, you have to speak. Your voice, your ear should listen. That's why I am forcing you to speak. My style of teaching is not teaching. My style of teaching is discussion. Teaching will make you listener. Discussion will make you developer, software engineer. Tell me, sir, I taught you 100 pages of book. Do you guarantee these 100 pages of programs will come in the company? Do you expect that these 100 pages of concepts only will be there in the interview room? No. This 100 pages of material must help you to think how to answer the question in the interview. These 100 pages of knowledge should help you how to analyze the question in the company, how to analyze the requirement of the client in the company, design the project, develop the project. That is the reason you join the course. Understand? Why you join the course? Not just learning Java, how to learn Java to analyze the future requirements. Tell me, your mother, father taught you mother tongue only first 5 years. After that, you are started going out of the house and then started doing friendship with your friends and then started with these 5 years of your parent given knowledge using to analyze your rest of the life or not? Anytime you call back to your mother, father asking, Daddy, here I have to talk, what is the word I should use? Did you ask? No. Why? Because you habituated how to talk. Whenever new word is coming, immediately receiving, understand the meaning of it and started applying in your life. Java also should be habituated. How to habituate? By writing notes, by replying in the class. Sir, you don't give notes, sir. I'll give notes. I know you are Gajanis. You will forget everything. I will give notes. But when after you receive everything to your brain, then I will dictate the notes. Today, yesterday and today, I didn't give any notes. I will dictate the notes from Monday onwards. Tomorrow, no class. Tomorrow is holiday. Sir, why tomorrow holiday? You said 6 days per week, no? Saturday also class is there. From next Saturday. First Saturday, homesick holiday. First time you come to Hyderabad, no? Okay. Tomorrow is holiday. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. First Saturday, Sunday holiday. Next class will be on Monday. Okay, Monday, I will give all the points and notes and then we'll proceed with next points. Monday, when you are coming back, can I expect good white paper notebook, new book? Will you take any rough notes to come to the class? No. Java is your life. Rest of next 70 years of your life is depending on Java only. So take it serious. Do good friendship. Java will be your best friend because it will give you wonderful career, wonderful salary, wonderful life. Believe me, I am the best example. Last 20 years, I am working only on Java. I don't know anything. In Java also, I know little Java. That is what? Core Java. 20 years, core Java only giving me salary. Then you are learning full stack Java. How much more money you are earning? Yes or no? So full stack Java will give you wonderful life. Just believe me and happily you can proceed. Today class, all you people comfortable? With my speed comfortable? Any time during the class, you got any doubt or question, confusion, quickly don't ask. Online students especially. Let me go. One part completed. For example, first what step I explained? Project architecture. Then I ask you reply with me. Second step I went to what? The parts of the each layer. Then I ask you to reply. Third part what I did, I explained each and every point meaning. Then fourth part what I explained, execution flow. Then fifth part what I explained, real-time exam. After these 5 parts completed, all your doubts will be 100% cleared. Still you have doubts, then I will ask your doubts. Okay, na? One doubt coming to your mind, immediately you shoot that doubt, then you will not listen my point. And your doubt will not be clear. You will be there first point only, already all remaining students move to third point. Then by the time you come to third point, all students are moved to fifth point. Then finally you will be lagging and people are moving to the next point. That's why habituate such a way, when doubt you got, immediately don't post the question in the chat window, hold the doubt. Continue next point, Either in second point or third point or fourth point or fifth point, somewhere your doubt will be 100% cleared. Still not cleared, then I will give you time to ask the questions. And my style of teaching, I don't wait to clear your doubts until end of the class. Chat window will be open. For online students, your doubts I am seeing, response I am seeing, and offline students, directly I am seeing you. And whenever I see your face, if you got a doubt, you are not understanding, immediately I will ask, Babu, understanding, what is your question? Okay? Every 5 minutes, once my some part of the discussion completed, I will interact with you and clear your doubts and I'll go to the next point. So that by end of the class, you are leaving at 7:50 or 8 o'clock. You should leave without any doubts. Clear my point? If still you have doubts, you are welcome to ask the question. Come to the desk. I will wait here until you leave the classroom. I will not go. Once you leave the class, then only I will go. I'll pack up my laptop and go. I will wait here for you to clear all your doubts. Samajh mein aaya? This is my style of teaching. My style of teaching is discussion style. You have to interact with me compulsory. Every day you have to speak because you have to habituate Java with you. It should be part of your life, not as a subject. It's your life. It should become part of your body like heart. Understand my point? Today class, everyone clear? Architecture understood? Okay, Monday, I will dictate the notes for it. Okay, na? Until Monday, try to remember. Okay, na? If still you have doubts, watch that video from the YouTube. In YouTube, already it's a stream. Where is the browser? Already closed. Okay. So in YouTube, already it is a stream here. Already it is available session 2. If you want one more time revise, you can revise yourself. Okay, na? Hope today's all of people are comfortable. Course syllabus and its fees. And next today, main concept started project architecture. Okay. Thank you so much for today class attending. And next class will be on Monday. Okay. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the class. If you have doubts, stay back, come here, ask and go. Is it clear? Thank you. Good night. Tomorrow, no class. Tomorrow is a holiday. Only core Java. When I say holiday, it is only my class. If it is a Naresh IT holiday, I will say Naresh IT is a holiday tomorrow. Okay. When I say holiday, it is only my class. Other classes, that faculty will tell. If that faculty say no, class is there, class is there. Class not there, class not there. Clear? Don't mix all classes. Okay. Syed Ali, yeah, morning sessions, afternoon sessions will be there. Please, you go through Naresh IT website, you can find out. Shajia, HTML, sorry, applet removed, stop using many years back. Okay, no one is using applet for now. That is removed many years back. We are using only HTML. MongoDB is used for data science applications purpose. Python database side. Okay. Narayan. Chapna. ఏంటి ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావానా ఒరాకిల్ న్యూ బ్యాచ్ న్యూ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ బ్యాచ్ కావాలి నా బ్యాచ్ అయితే 1 month పడుతుంది వేరే ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ వీక్లో ఉంది ఎవ్రీ వీక్ న్యూ బ్యాచెస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ నరేష్ నాది నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఉంది ఓన్లీ 1 month 1 బ్యాచ్ ఉంటుంది జనరలీ సెకండ్ వీక్లో ఉంటుంది ఓకే ఆన్లైన్లో అటెండ్ అవ్వండి అదేనన్నా ఇప్పుడు ప్రస్తుతానికి ఆన్లైన్లో అటెండ్ అవ్వు వన్స్ డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్నాక అటెండ్ అవ్వాలా వద్దా అనే డెసిషన్కి వస్తారు కదా ఒకవేళ అటెండ్ అవ్వాలని డెసిషన్స్ వస్తే వచ్చేసి హైదరాబాద్ కంటిన్యూ చేసుకో ఆఫ్లైన్ అర్థమైందా చెప్పింది అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు డెమో క్లాసెస్ మండే నుంచి ఆన్లైన్లో అటెండ్ అవ్వు మండే ట్యూస్డే వెన్స్డే ఈ 3 daysలో నువ్వు కోర్స్ అటెండ్ అవుతానని డెసిషన్కి వస్తే హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చేసి క్లాస్లో కూర్చొని కంటిన్యూ చేసుకో కోర్స్ మళ్ళీ 1 month ఎన్ని వెయిట్ చేయడం టైం అదే అన్న డౌట్లో ఉన్నావు కదా అవలేనేమో కదా కన్ఫర్మేషన్ రాలేదు కదా కన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చేంత వరకు ఆన్లైన్ అటెండ్ అవ్వు అంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడేం ఫీజు పే చేయక్కర్లేదు కదా, డెమో క్లాసెస్ అయ్యి కదా, అర్థమైందా? గుడ్ గుడ్ ఐడియా, గుడ్ ఐడియా. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్, కోర్ జావా లేదా ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా పైథాన్. సో దట్ రేపు ఎల్లుండితో రికమెండ్ చేస్తుంది. నేను ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ నాలెడ్జ్ లేకుండా ఏమో అర్థం అవి పైథాన్ జావా అని చెప్పాను. అంటే ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలి పైకి ఐడియా. అదే ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్ ప్లస్ కోర్ జావా లేదా ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా పైథాన్ అని ఏది అది కానీ డెమోలు అట్లా కావాలి. తర్వాత చేసింది ట్రైన్ ఫీజ్ పే చేయట్లేదు కదా, డెమోస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యి కంప్లీట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు పేమెంట్ ఫీజ్ పేమెంట్. యా వెంకట్, ఐ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ, డోంట్ వరీ. హరిణి, full stack Java with videos, don't go. Full stack Java individual courses with videos you go, because that will be, no, cost will be increased now. With videos and course fees will be increased. That's why I'm not suggesting which part of the full stack Java videos you want, only buy that videos, okay? Mona, I'm getting your messages. Now core Java with videos you want. Full stack Java, full training you, full payment you done, only core Java videos, extra payment you do, like that. Internship is not there, Karim. Only you have to learn course along with it. That's it. There's no internship. Deepika, thank you for your feedback. Great section, sir. Thank you. Narayan Birla, yes, you can come to offline to come anytime to offline, no problem. Pranay. Next morning back will be after 1 month or 45 days. Okay guys, thank you so much. All your doctors. Mona, what is taking cost? Keeping your asking. Akanksha, I don't recommend videos. Videos will make you lazy. Regular business will not be there. So if you don't buy videos, then you will sincerely come to the class. With videos, I don't recommend. Of course, my statement against management, but still, I don't recommend videos. I want every student attend live class. Like in college, like in school, sincerely, if you study, then you will get success. Okay, guys, that's all for today class. Thank you, everyone. Happy weekend. Good night. See you all on Monday, same time, 6 PM by using same link.